Hello guys, Sac Passe. Welcome back to Learning with Kat. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Today I am going to show you how to make the most delicious vegetable rice. Without further ado, let's get to cooking.
It's a Caribbean love.
Caribbean love, girl. Hey, Caribbean.
Caribbean love.
Caribbean love, girl. Hey, Caribbean.
It's a Caribbean.
To begin with, I have my stove on medium heat. I am going to add my oil. And also, don't forget, I will have all the ingredients down in the description box. Next, I am going to add my minced garlic. I am using 2 heads of garlic. I'm going to let that saute for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once that is done, I'm adding my celery, my chopped celery, and my red bell pepper. You can add any other type of bell peppers that you prefer. Once I am done adding, I'm going to let that cook for about a minute or so. Okay, it's been about a minute. I am adding my vegetable. I have a combination of carrots, peas, and also corn. You can add any type of vegetables that you prefer. Next, I am going to add a little bit of seasoning just to make sure the vegetables have some taste to it, and I'm going to let that cook for a little bit. This is me giving it a little stir. You got to stir it up so it doesn't stay on one side. Once I am done with stirring, I am going to let it cook for about a minute to 2. And also, guys, don't forget, if you have any requests, just let me know down below. I will be gladly to accommodate. It's been about a minute or 2. I am going to add 2 Maggi cubes. You don't have to add Maggi if you don't use Maggi. However, you need some type of spice or salt to make sure your rice have some taste to it. Next, I'm adding my turmeric. Turmeric have a lot of benefit from beat depressions to treat arthritis and also reduce inflammations. And I know it also protect your heart and help with losing weight. You have to be consistent. It's not a one-time thing and boom, everything is good. But turmeric, it is a great spice to add to your kitchen. I am going to stir everything together and let it cook for a minute. Make sure you don't overcook your vegetable because it is going to a boil. And also, guys, this is a quick meal. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes. You can eat it with any side that you prefer, any leftover. This is me adding a little bit of oil because I don't like my rice to dry. And once that is cooked, I add water to my vegetable. Afterwards, I am going to add my butter. I am using Haitian butter. However, you can add any type of butter that you prefer. I am also adding parsley and thyme with tied together with cooking wine. Let it comes to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I wash my rice 3 times, and I'm adding my rice to my hot boil bean sauce or vegetable sauce, I should say. And once that is done, you want to make sure you stir and make sure you taste to your liking. And after you add your rice, you are almost done. I am going to let all the water evaporate it. Once the water evaporate and there's no more water left into my rice, I am going to bring my heat down to a low heat. Look at this rice. It tastes so delicious. I wish you guys were here with me to help me eat this tasty rice. There goes the final. I am going to let it cook. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask down below. And also the final result, I decided for my side, I had it with asparagus and also steak. If you want to know how I make my steak, stay tuned.
It's a Caribbean love.
Caribbean love, girl. Hey, Caribbean.
Caribbean love.
Caribbean love, girl. Hey, Caribbean.